Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will configure the GM utility bar grid. This component can integrate three components as one: GM, FieldSet Grid, GM, ListView Grid and GM, RelatedList Grid. So let's begin our demo. For that, go Setup. Type App Manager on Quick Find. Edit the Sales app and click the utility item. Add GM utility bar grid. For the label, set Open Tasks. Let's change the icon to Task. Set 520 for panel width, for example. Set 680 for panel height. Set related object name as Task. Set field set name as GM Task Field Set. Set the row limit as 200, for example. Set custom label as Open Tasks. Set a custom icon as a standard task. Set grid height as 540. For column style, set this config. For the filter, set this config, for example. Set sort as activity date. For the order, set ascending. Group by priority. Check Enable Delete Object, and Enable Export Object, and Full Record Creation. For action, paste this config. For custom visible actions, set 1. For custom field labels, set this config. For cell coloring, set this config. For density, set compact. Once you do this configuration, click Save. Thank you for watching this video.